Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm excited to share some amazing window design ideas for your sunroom. If you're looking to create a cozy yet bright space, stick around. Let's dive in. First up, we have the modern minimalist windows. These large, unobstructed glass panels let in tons of natural light, making your sunroom feel spacious and airy. Perfect for those who love a clean, contemporary look. For a more classic and timeless feel, consider grid windows. The divided panes add a touch of elegance and character to your sunroom, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. Ideal for vintage or cottage-style homes. Last but not least, floor-to-ceiling windows. These are perfect if you want to maximize your view and blur the lines between indoors and outdoors. They create a seamless transition and make your sunroom the ultimate relaxation spot. All these stunning window designs can be customized to fit your space, thanks to Hommie. They offer factory direct custom sunrooms at unbeatable prices, delivered straight to your door. Just get your local crew for installation, and you're all set.